I'm pretty proud. I did some half an hour yoga. Finally did some yoga. I was actually lacking doing yoga. Just did it right there. You know, just been busy. Had actually no excuses for not doing it. But I just did a little bit of yoga the other day. But today I just feel like, okay, I'm gonna do it now. And my God, was that good for my body? I didn't have any pain or anything before, but it's like, I just feel better. Anyways, I'm going for a run now because that felt so good. And as you can see, the sun is soon setting and I do want to jump into the ocean right there. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, if you have some kind of Sunday blues today, you might want to check out empath.dk. It's actually a link to the Instagram profile I created. You know, a lot of single people have Sunday blues, or maybe you're alone and your spouse or husband or anything is away and you are just missing that cuddly feeling. Anyways, that's not what it's all about, but it's all about acknowledging yourself. And I just want to remind you to check empath.dk out. Now, back to the run. I'm happy because of that. Good. One more. Fresh. Yep. Nice. It's like a little treasure finding something like this. I didn't know they grew here. A little snack after my run. That is what you call healthy soil, because the cows over there are eating the grass and stuff and pooping all over this beautiful place. And that creates the right environment for something like this to grow wild. Yeah. Smells really good, actually. Just tuck it a little bit and there we go. It's just another beauty. All fresh. Someone beat me to it. This one has already been eaten a little bit. Cut that away. I hope this is the right mushroom. These seems like huge. It might not only be the good edible ones that are here. So yeah, so before I eat anything, I'm just gonna check out if what I think I actually found, because it might smell like the right ones, but I see some bigger ones growing here, and if you're not taking these things serious, you might actually eat something very poisonous, and it can kill you. And not just kill you straight away, kill you in a very ugly way. So probably don't do what I'm doing right now. It's just a disclaimer. I wouldn't do it. I mean, I have two in my pocket. It smells like the ones that you put on pizza. Like, I don't know, you call them champignon in Danish. I don't know if they're champions, or probably not. But they smell like it, but they might not be the ones that I think they are. So I'm just gonna take a little precaution and just keep running instead of eating stuff that I am only 90, maybe 80% sure of. So it's just a good advice. There's actually stories about people from Asia coming to Denmark thinking one of our mushrooms are edible because it looks very much like an Asian mushroom that you can eat, but it's one of our most dangerous mushrooms here in Denmark. It's called a green, I don't know what it's called in English, but it's a fly mushroom. Well, you can probably notice it with it. It's a little bit green, but it's enough to kill a grown-up. So it will start that you throw up, and you'll throw up blood, and then you'll start feeling better after. But at some point you'll just fall over and die, even after feeling good. Have to be very serious when you're eating stuff from nature. You should probably consult someone and not do what I just did. But I didn't eat it yet. I'm just gonna look it up first. But yeah, why take the risk when you can ask someone about the right mushrooms here? It shouldn't be that hard to find someone who knows. I'm not sure. Well, this I was pretty sure about, but again, you never know. It really smells like the one that I know, also because it's closed in the bottom, but maybe an expert will tell me otherwise another day. Walking here with this view, it just reminds me of Australia. It's time for a swim, just a short one after my run and my mushroom hunt, which failed a little bit. Now I read a little bit about it. Actually, I think I found some right ones that was edible. But again, I shouldn't eat something when I'm not an expert in it. So just with mushrooms, it can be quite dangerous. It. Well, I just want to wish you a great night and a great rest of your Sunday. And if you did have a Sunday blues, I hope it has gone away a little bit. and you start thinking about other things that's actually working for you and all the good things that is in life if you want to embrace it. If you want to take the step towards it, I think there's so many things that we can enjoy. Anyways, enjoy your evening. Okay, I looked up the mushrooms and it seems that I found field mushrooms, and it's in Danish called mark champignon, and that means it just grows on a field. So I wasn't wrong, and it did smell good, and also it seems that it was edible. Well, I learned a little bit more today, but at least I didn't get sick from eating something I didn't know what was. A nice beginning.